this is Sancista Brujo Luis. Listen, I don't know the future of TikTok. If you follow me and you enjoy my videos here on TikTok, you could also follow me on my YouTube channel, Sancista Brujo Luis. I've been doing videos there for 15 years. There's a lot of videos there. Go follow me on YouTube, Sancista Brujo Luis. I also have Instagram. I don't know the future of TikTok. I hope it's around, right, for a longer run. Also, if you enjoy these videos that I do, hit that like button, subscribe, right? Share this video with people who may enjoy this video. I'm going to show you two drum beats that you can use in your spiritual workings. But before you leave, hit that like button, subscribe, and share the channel. Show some love. Luis Progreso, this is Sancista Brujo Luis. I'm sitting here under my favorite oak tree. I was drumming and I thought about a good video to do for those who use drums in their spiritual work, mostly the shamanic drum, the frame drum, or the Native American hoop drum. This is a Siberian shaman drum. So I'm going to show you two drum beats that you can use and utilize with your shamanic drum, your frame drum, to incorporate it into your spiritual working. Again, if you have a hoop drum, a frame drum, this is the Siberian style form of shaman drum. Any drum can work, but these are two beats that you can use in your spiritual working. Now, before I start the video, a lot of people understand that the frame drum, the shaman drum, is used in a lot of Native American spiritual traditions and shamanic traditions, not only to get the medicine man, the medicine woman, the shaman into theta brainwaves so that the spirit may go into spirit flight, but also the drum, right, is a form, it's a way that the shaman, the native, the medicine man, the medicine woman use to communicate with the world of spirit. So there's a lot of different drum beats, and each drum beat has its own language and a form of communicating with spirits. So I just wanted to say that before I start the video. So the first rhythm that I'm going to show you is to cleanse, to purify. Let's say you want to remove negative vibrations, not only from yourself, maybe from the area that you are at, disperse unwanted vibration. You can use your frame drum to do that. And the beat is very simple, right? And it's called the Go Away, right? And so what you do is you hit it in the top, bottom, center. So it's go away, go away. Go away, go away. So now I'm going to play it naturally so you see me without me speaking. And what I'm doing is I'm clearing, I can clear myself. Let's say I want to purify myself, or I want to cleanse a person from negative vibrations, or I want to cleanse an area. I'm going to do it very, very naturally. Ready? Is the go away. So now that we've dispersed negative energy, stagnant vibration, you want to attract something positive. Remember that when you remove, you want to replace something negative with something positive. If you're removing something from a place, you have to replace it with something beneficial or something positive. So I'm going to show you the rhythm to attract positive, good vibrations. And it's a variation of the go away rhythm, but this one is come to me, and it's hit from the top, come to me, top, center, bottom, come to me, 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 come to me. So now I'm going to do it naturally, the top, center, bottom, come to me, right? Come to me. Come to me. So go away is top, bottom, center. Go away, and then come to me. Come to me. Top, center, bottom. On a person after you remove negative vibrations. You can use both these rhythms in a home to clear space of negative vibration, to attract positive vibrations. You could use it when drumming over a person, doing some sound healing, and just to cleanse and purify the home and the surroundings. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Sancista Brujo Luis. Ciao, bye.